Hello friends, welcome to Basic Chemistry. In my last video we have learned efficiency of packing in case of simple cubic unit cell. In this video we will learn efficiency of packing in case of body centered cubic unit cell. Just to summarize, efficiency of packing is the fraction of space occupied by atoms in the unit cell. We learn this video to know what is the empty space present in the unit cell for the introduction of new elements and to change the properties of the substance. Efficiency of packing is determined in terms of atomic packing factor. The formula is volume of atoms in the unit cell divided by volume of unit cell. To find out the efficiency of packing, we need 6 parameters. First is lattice constant, second is nearest neighbor distance, third is number of atoms in the unit cell, fourth is the relation between lattice constant and nearest neighbor distance, fifth is volume of atoms, and the last is volume of unit cell. Once we determine all these values, we will substitute in the formula of APF and we will determine it. So let's start the video. In case of simple cubic unit cell, we have seen that the atoms are at the corners of a cube. In case of body center, the difference is there is one additional atom at the center of the body or center of the unit cell. Let's determine lattice constant for body centered cubic unit cell. It is the distance between the centers of two corner atoms and is the length of edge of a cube denoted as A. In case of simple cubic unit cell, we have seen that the corner atoms they touch each other like this. Okay, these corner atoms are touching each other. But what is the difference in case of body centered cubic unit cell? Because there is an atom at the center of the body. These atoms they undergo slight opening and there is a presence of one additional atom at the center of the body. Because of this central atom, the corner atoms they do not touch each other. Instead, a central atom is in contact with the 8 atoms at the corner. Thus, the coordination number is 8. Let's move to the nearest neighbor distance. For this, consider this diagram and we have to consider 3 atoms along the body diagonal of the cube. The nearest neighbor distance is 2r, but we have to find out the relation between nearest neighbor distance to that of lattice constant. For this, we have to consider the same diagram and we will consider 4 atoms at 4 corners A, B, C and D. We have to find out the body diagonal AD. For this, let's start from the right angle triangle ABC. In this right angle triangle ABC, according to Pythagoras theorem, we can say that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB and BC are the length of the edge of a cube and is denoted as A. Let's substitute these values for AB and BC. It is calculated as 2A square. Now using this, we will find out the body diagonal AD. To find out the value of AD, consider a right angle triangle ACD, in which CD is the length of the edge of a cube denoted as A. According to Pythagoras theorem, AD square is equal to AC square plus CD square. Let's substitute the values of AC and CD. We will find out AD square is equal to 3A square. Now body diagonal AD is formed by the combination of 3 atoms, 2 corner atoms and 1 central atom. 2 corner atoms constitute the radius r, whereas the central atom constitutes a diameter 2r. Total is 4r. Therefore, we can say AD, value of AD is 4r. Let's substitute these values. We will find out that the relation between the lattice constant and the nearest neighbor distance is find out to be A is equal to 4r upon root 3. Let's move to the calculation of number of atoms per unit cell. For this, we will draw one cube. In body centered cubic unit cell, there are atoms at the corner of a cube and one additional atom at the center of the body. Total number of atoms will be contribution of the corner atom plus contribution of the central atom. In my last video, we have seen calculation for the corner atom is 1 by 8 part to the particular unit cell. If you have not watched that video, click on the above link and please watch it. Now at the center of the body or center of the unit cell, the atom does not contribute to any other unit cell. The whole atom belongs to that particular unit cell. Thus the total number of atoms will be 1 by 8 into 8, that is 1, plus one additional atom, so total will be 2. Thus, in case of body-centered cubic unit cell, total number of atoms are 2. Let's move to the fifth point, that is volume of atoms. Volume of atom is the volume of sphere, that is atom is spherical in shape, so volume of sphere into number of atoms, that is 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of unit cell is volume of cube, that is length into breadth into height, calculated as a cube. Let's substitute all these values into the formula of atomic packing factor, that is volume of atoms in the unit cell divided by volume of unit cell. Once we substitute the values, we have to substitute one value of A, which we have already determined in terms of relationship between the nearest neighbor distance and that of lattice constant. Once we substitute the value of A, the atomic factor is calculated as 0.68. Thus, we have find out in case of body-centered cubic unit cell, the atomic packing factor is 0.68 and packing density is 68%. Now we have already seen simple cubic unit cell. In this video we have learned body centered cubic unit cell. In my next video we will see face centered cubic unit cell. If you like my video, click on like, share and do subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon to get the notification about my new videos. Till then, watch basic chemistry. Thank you.